Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn off Snapchat notifications for one specific person. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then right here hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji, and then scroll down for a bit and hit right here where it says My Friends to open up your friends list. After that, you can go through your list, and once you have found the user who you want to disable the notifications for, you can just hold down on that person's name, and then all you have to do is tap on Chat Settings, and right here you can easily find message notifications. You can just by tapping on that switcher toggle this feature off to not allow that user send you notifications about their messages. But keep in mind that you will still get notifications from that user in the group chats. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.